Okay, let's have a look at technicals for very quickly for these three names: Riot Platforms, Cleanspark, and Marathon Digital. So today on Friday, May 17th, so you can see in the morning these were running and gave it all back pretty much flat. Riot Platforms above $10. And if you take a look at it on a daily chart for Riot Platforms, well, it is still in a downtrend and it is in a consolidation mode. So whether it's bullish right here or bearish, I mean, it hasn't picked a direction to do. I mean, to be certain that okay, it's going to run from here. For me, the perfect level for this name to break would be this $12 level. You can see how many times it has acted. 12.50. It has acted as a resistance, and also at the moment, Riot Platforms is basically below its 50-day, below its 20-day, below its 200-day. So the only thing it could be going forward, it is above its 5-day simple moving average. So at least it's not making lower lows for a moment right here, right now. But we're going to talk about something else at the end. Let's go through the technicals for all, and then we'll go from there. CLSK, Cleanspark. Same thing, but this stock is looking a little bit better if it clears its 50-day moving average. You can see I'm watching for Cleanspark, this downtrend right here, okay, and also I'm watching the support of 1450 basically, and this 50-day SMA, this yellow line on my chart. I'll zoom in a little bit more, you can see how many days it has rejected this level, okay. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, even today almost touched this level, rejecting again. So if it does break, definitely can run, and if it does break lower, it can definitely flush lower. Marathon Digital, Mara above its 50-day moving average. This is the only name above all of its major moving averages right here, right now. You can see 200-day moving average around 16, 18, 19 bucks. That's its 50-day moving average. It's struggling to stay above $20 level, but you can see clearly right here, right now, ultra short term, maybe for the past month or so, stock has been trying to make lower lows, higher highs, lower highs, higher lows. Let's scratch that all. So it's been making higher lows, higher highs. So we'll see if it's gonna try to push above 21 next week. At least you have this channel right here where you can see, at least for this past 2 months or so, month and a half or so, you can say that it is some sort of it's in the channel, trading in a big channel, but it is uptrending channel so far. If you zoom out, of course, you're gonna see that it is in a consolidation mode, and it can definitely, if it takes out 21, it can definitely go to 22, 24, 28, and push even higher. But the only time I would be bearish this name, if it slips below 16. The only thing that is putting pressure on all of these names is bonds, basically. TLT, I was talking about, this is 20-year. That's what I track. It hit its resistance, and it's going lower right now, which means yields are going higher, which puts pressure on rate-sensitive stocks, i.e. small caps and unprofitable names like this. You can take a look at let's take a look at the heat map of Russell 2000. You can see as soon as yields uptick slightly, I'll show you right here, United States bonds, you can see we have an uptick in everything, basically, from 10-year, 5, 7, 10, 30, 20. That's putting a little bit of a pressure right here, right now. If yields keep going higher, well, I don't have much of hope. And also, all those names were running very, like, couple days, maybe because of BTC as well. It's kind of like a tug of war between BTC and the yields. But if BTC tries to, at least right here, right now, it is sitting above its 50-day moving average. So trying to get out of this downtrend, sort of resistance right here, right now, this is the level. It needs to clear 68.70 in order for it to go test its 74 and potentially maybe push even higher. That would bring up all of these miners. But right here, right now, well, BTC, little bit promising going into the weekend. We'll see what happens on Monday since it trades 24/7. But so far, it is trying to get out of this downtrend, but still in this channel as well. You can see this is your downtrend right here, right now. So it can be in this range for quite some time. So that's what I'm watching for all of those miners going into the next week and for the rest of the May. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.